Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from PNC Bank to Wells Fargo in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're transferring for bills, savings, or just managing your finances, this guide is perfect for you. First things first, make sure you have access to both your PNC Bank and Wells Fargo accounts online. Start by logging into your PNC Bank app or website using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select the option for an external transfer. You'll need to add Wells Fargo as a recipient if you haven't already. Enter the exact account number, routing number, and the name on the Wells Fargo account. Double-check these details to prevent any errors, as mistakes can delay your transfer or even send your money to the wrong place. Now, specify the amount you want to deposit and choose the transfer date. For 2025, PNC might offer same-day ACH transfers, but keep in mind that standard transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. Review all the information carefully before confirming. Most banks will send you a verification code via email or text for added security. After you hit confirm, keep an eye on your accounts. Log into Wells Fargo to verify when the funds arrive. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider any potential fees. PNC might charge for outgoing transfers, and Wells Fargo could have incoming fees too. Always check the latest fee schedules on their websites, as these can change. One quick tip. If you're new to online banking, enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. And remember, if you run into issues, customer service for both banks is just a call away. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly deposit money from PNC to Wells Fargo in 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.